Hello, this is Darkcaper, and this is a little scene I'm working on. It's going to be a horror short with mannequins and axes and death, I'm guessing. Anyway,
Yeah.
good news! Good news! Take it away, John. Take it away.
Are you going to put that picture up? Or...
Oh yeah, sorry. I thought you were going to introduce it first, but I'll just bring the image up. That's okay.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay. This is a kind of an announcement that we really think that should be announced. See what I did?
I totally agree.
Okay,
I totally agree.
Okay, shut up. Basically, what you're seeing at the moment is a screenshot of a game being developed by a team called Super Smith Bros. Basically, one of them was our lecturer over college, and he really would love to be a indie games developer and have a job making games. That's his dream, because he's been playing games ever since he was a fetus. ZX Spectrum, that's how far back he went. And since he's been playing games for so long, he knows how to make a proper good game. And what you're seeing, his first, not major, but fairly big game, because it's got an Xbox Live. They haven't really got a fan base yet, but this is why we're making this video. If you like Super Meat Boy and Plus, good platformers, really like, if you want a good game, not a thing that you just pay like 60 quid to get from start to finish easy. If you want something that actually tests your gaming skills, this is only 80 Microsoft points. Get it. It's gonna have it's gonna have a ton of stuff. It's gonna be really good. I'm gonna get it as soon as it comes out. So yeah. But basically, Chris is gonna stick a link in the description. Go like their Facebook page. Really support these guys. They really deserve it, because I was taught by Steve for 2 years, and he's an awesome guy. So this is, hopefully me and Chris can repay him for being such a good lecturer to us by getting him a bigger fan base. So he'll be on his way to become an indie games developer.
How much is 80 Microsoft points in conversion?
80 Microsoft points is not a lot. How much is it roughly? It's not even a pound, is it?
Don't think so.
No, it's I don't know. I don't really dive into that much. But anyway,
it's 70 levels, isn't it? 10 worlds.
It's
no.
10. Well, if I can remember correctly, it's 10 worlds. Each world has 10 levels.
No, it's 7.
Sorry,
it's 7 worlds.
Each world has 10 levels, and it's not like Super Meat Boy. I think you get obviously 3 lives, and you get coins and stuff. I guess the coins, once you get to some point, you get an extra life or something. It's not following the same formula as Super Meat Boy, but it's going to be challenging in its own way. So it's gonna have like a score system, like just say if you get it in a certain time limit, you get 1 star. If you beat that time limit, you get 2. If you get even faster, you get 3 stars. And it's all going to have leaderboards and stuff. It's going to have tons of replayability stuff. It's just going to be really challenging, and that's what a game should be. Like, it should be a challenge. You have to like feel good when you beat a game. Like, I earned that win.
So 70 levels, good challenge for under £1.
Yeah.
You can't ask for more, can you?
Yeah, it's great. Like, I'm gonna get it as soon as it comes out. I think they've only got like 150 Facebook likes at the moment. But yeah, if you watch this, even if you're not into that sort of stuff, really show your support. Like, it's not asking for much. Go on Facebook, like this page, just get tons and tons of likes. They really do deserve this, because they're just like, we don't know Graham, but if he's like Steve, then Graham's awesome as well. So totally support these guys.
Right, so I think that's the end of this message.
Chris will be linking it in the description, so 2 seconds, just click it and like it. That's all we're asking.
That's all you gotta do. That's all you have to do.
Thank you.
Thanks.
This is a very serious video. Thank you.
We appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And I also appreciate you viewing my videos. You mean so much to me, guys. You mean so much to me.
I'll be releasing a video soon about this. My computer can't handle the rendering, but as soon as it's up, yeah, hopefully we can get as many fans as we can. I think.
Thanks, and good night.